Planning to study abroad but don't have IELTS or TOEFL? Don't worry, I've got good news for you. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get an English Proficiency Certificate that works for scholarship applications without spending hundreds on language tests. Stay with me. Let's start from the basics. What exactly is an English Proficiency Certificate? It's a simple letter from your previous school that confirms your education was taught in English. Sounds easy, right? That's because it is. It's accepted by many universities and scholarship bodies instead of IELTS or TOEFL. That means no need for expensive tests or stressful preparations, especially if you're from an English-speaking country or studied in English. If you're wondering how to get yours, here's a simple step-to-step guide. Step 1. Visit your university or secondary school, usually the registrar's office or your department. Step 2. Request an English Proficiency Certificate or a medium of instruction letter. Step 3. Make sure it's printed on official letterhead, signed and stamped. Some schools may charge a small fee, others will do it for free. Tip: request this certificate at least 2-3 months before your scholarship deadline. So where can you use this certificate? Countries like the UK, Germany, Hungary, Cyprus, Sweden, and Norway often accept it, especially for fully funded scholarships. For example, Germany's DAAD scholarships, UK Commonwealth scholarships, and some Eastern European universities accept the certificate instead of IELTS. Now, if your target university does not accept it, you have other options. Duolingo English Test, it's cheap online and accepted globally. PTE Academic or TOEFL IBT, especially for the US and Canada. Or if you're Nigerian, use your WAEC or NECO English result. Many universities accept a C6 or higher as proof. So here's the deal, not having IELTS or TOEFL is not a limitation. You just need to be smart and plan ahead. Start by checking the scholarship's website for language requirements. Request your proficiency certificate early. Use WAEC NECO if allowed, and only pay for a test if absolutely necessary. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Study Abroad Simplified for more tips that will save you time, stress, and money. See you in the next video.